Alexa TV presents in 3, 2, 1. Dateline Schools with your host, Terry Harrington.
All this week on Dateline Schools, we're learning about the Hour of Code. It's being introduced to our schools here in St. Clair County and around the world all this week. And to tell us all about it, from the Port Huron Area School District, this is Supervisor Secondary Curriculum, Rachelle Wynkoop. And Rachelle, when you first made this pitch to your teachers here in Port Huron about introducing this Hour of Code, what kind of reaction did you get?
Well, I think for many of them, initially, there was a lot of reservation because when they hear we're going to have you do an hour of code with the students, the first thing they go to is, I don't know how to program a computer. I don't know computer programming. That's why I'm so grateful that there is an organization like the Hour of Code and code.org that really has put the materials together that what we are doing is facilitating our students access to this. So it really is teacher facilitated and organized, but the instruction and how the kids will interact, that's really included in the programs that are provided through code.org.
So tell us a little bit how that's going to work. What's it going to look like when the kids come into the classroom and face this program?
So teachers will have rolled it out a little bit differently. Like I said, some of the early adopters have already kind of introduced coding to their students and have them involved in it, especially at the elementary school and with the technology classes. In the science classes, it will look a little bit different. It truly will be just that hour. So they have booked computer time, and the buildings and the teachers are working together because that's one of the obstacles you have to overcome, is making sure that everyone has the access to the technology that you need. So they're going to come in, and teachers have decided whether they're going to let students choose what program they're using or if they're going to direct them to a program. And we will provide a way that the link is already posted so that students can just go directly to the link and use the resources that don't require login. So students honestly can just come in, sit down at a computer, click on a link, and get going with their hour of code.
I've got a feeling, too, some of the kids will be helping to teach these classes, won't they?
Well, I think this is a great opportunity to let our students shine and show what they're already doing, because sometimes what we see in the context of what we deliver as curriculum isn't reflective of all the great things our students are doing. And yes, we're already seeing that as it's introduced, that the kids come in and they've already been doing coding, and it's starting a conversation in the schools about what students are doing and what they want to do.
We'll be back with more tomorrow. For Dateline Schools, I'm Terry Harrington.